Number 16, partial bed bath. On this skill, all we're doing is cleaning from the waist up. We're gonna wash, rinse, and dry. Everything except for the face, which is water only. Our supplies for this are going to be 3 towels. On your supply list, it says 2 towels and a bath blanket. We're gonna go ahead and cross out bath blanket and write 3 towels. So we have the 3 towels, 2 washcloths, a gown, a basin, soap, and lotion. Knock, knock. Hi, Miss Susie. How are you doing today? My name's Michelle. I'm your CNA. I'm here to give you a bed bath. Is this a good time? She says yes. Here's your call light. Shut the curtain and wash my hands. This is a glove-free skill. Because there are no bodily fluids, we will not be using gloves. I'll grab my 3 towels, my 2 washcloths, and my gown. Place my 1 towel down. Okay. Miss Susie, is it okay if I go in your drawer? Get this basin, soap, and the lotion. I'm gonna go ahead and put my gown under her pillow to keep it nice and dry. And at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and untie her gown on the back and remove her arms. All right. Go ahead and place our towel over her. This is what's considered our bath blanket. It's going to keep her nice and warm. I'm going to remove the gown. This way she's not been exposed at all. She's still covered up. Place that in the hamper. Miss Susie, let me give you your call light. I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and get your water. I'm going to go ahead and get 3 inches of warm water from the restroom. We'll come back, test it. Miss Susie will test it, as well as the examiner. Go ahead and put our washcloths in the water. Wring it out and make what I call a bath mitt. We're going to wrap it around our hand, fold it. For the face, it is water only. We have a cleaning area in the front, back, and now each corner. So with water only, we will go from the inside of the eye out, inside of the eye out, and down the face. Go ahead and gently dry the resident's face, moving the towel and drying towel down to her abdomen. We're going to wring our washcloth out, add soap, build a lather. At this point, we're going to clean the neck from the back to the front, circular motion down the body, and under each breast. Wring this out. Now we're going to rinse the same way. Rinse under the breast and dry. Pat and dry. We'll now fold the towel and place it under Miss Susie's arm. We're going to rinse our wash rag a little more, add more soap, build a lather. We're going to clean from the shoulder, circular motion down, past the fingertips, all the way up, and then swipe the armpit really well. Go ahead and wring our rinse rag out. Rinse the arm. And swipe under the armpit. Now we're just going to take our drying towel, wrap it around the arm, and dry the armpit really well. At testing, we want to go ahead and take this table, move it to the other side, and do the other arm. So both arms are included for this skill. Right now, I'm going to pretend that I've done her other arm. We're going to move to her backside. I'm gonna have Miss Susie scooch towards me on 3. 1, 2, 3. Have her cross her arms and legs and roll to the side. Okay. Put my drying towel behind her back. Wring this out, apply soap. Now we're going to clean the back side of the neck. Circular motions down the back and up the back. Let's wash. We're going to wring this out. Rinse. And dry. Now I'm going to go ahead, get some lotion, warm it. We always want to massage the lotion in from the bottom of the back up in a circular motion. Pat it dry. Have Miss Susie lay back down. And go ahead and put her clean down on her. It's very important at testing to remember to tie the back of the gown behind the neck. Pull this towel out. Cover Miss Susie up. Tie the gown behind the neck. Give her her call button. Miss Susie, I'm going to clean all this up. Soap and lotion go in the drawer. Wring this out. Roll it up. This is going to go in the wet hamper. Now, because this was from the waist up, we're going to be able to dump this in the sink. So we're going to go to the bathroom, turn the water on, dump it, rinse, dump, rinse, dump, rinse, dump. Pat it dry with a paper towel, spray it with disinfectant, lay it on our barrier towel, go ahead and wash our hands, grab another paper towel, pick this up, throw this one away, and put our basin back in the drawer. All right, Miss Susie, you did a wonderful job. You have a great day. Open the curtain.